Now let's move on to pie chart. Previously students we were learning about table and bar chart. Now let us move on to pie chart. Pie is nothing but you have a circle, you have all the details in it and you solve it. Or it is a pictorial representation of data that divides a circle into various sectors to explain the numerical values in it. Okay. So each section is proportionate part of the whole circle. The total of all data in a pie is equal to 360 degree and the total value of the pie is always equal to 100 percentage. There are two important formulas you should remember. To calculate the percentage of the given data, we use frequency divided by total frequency into 100. To convert the data into degrees, we will have the given data divided by total data of value into 360 degree. Now, we have a problem which has this, considering this case into account, if we can solve the problem. Okay, so the first one. The pie chart displays the percentage distribution of the expenditure in a publishing a book company. Okay, now we are studying this pie chart. For transportation, the cost in self-publishing company is 8 percentage. For promotion, they are paying 12 percentage of their amount. For binding, it is 15 percentage. Paper cost is 30 percentage. For printing, it is 17, and for royalty, it is 18 percentage. Now, the first question is, if a person wants to publish a book and the cost of paper is rupees 21,516, then what will be the cost for promotion? Okay, one of the value is given. Now, we are supposed to find the other value using the percentage. Now, we can apply ratio and proportion method in this problem and we can solve, and the forthcoming problems will also follow the same explanation. So if we listen to the one problem, we can solve the other problems very easily. Okay, so now the answer for the question is, we will assume the cost of promotion as X. We know 30 percentage. Okay, so 30 percentage is the paper cost and 12 percentage is for promotion. These two are the important terminologies used in the question. So 30 is to 12 and we know the cost of paper, that is 21,560 is to X. Now on cross multiplication we will get the answer as rupees 8,624. Okay, so option 2 will be the right answer. Now we will move on to the next question. For some quantity of books, the publisher pays rupees 40,500 for cost of printing. Now, cost of printing, the amount for cost of printing is what we have got. So, cost of printing we have got, that is 17 percentage. Find the royalty amount paid. Now, 18 percentage is what we don't know. Same problem we are going to do. The previous problem is followed here. Here, royalty amount is taken for Y. Then 17 is to, so 17 is for printing is to 18 is for royalty is equal to 40,500 is to Y. On cross multiplication, we will get the answer as 4,22,882.35. Your option 4 will be the right answer. Okay. Now, we will move on to the next question. If the price of the published book is marked as 30 percentage above cost price, okay, above cost price it is marked as 30 percentage, okay, in order to get a profit. If the marked price of book is rupees 300, find the cost of paper of one book. Okay, now let's see the problem. So the marked percentage is 30 percentage above cost price. So marked price will be 130, that is 100 plus 30 percentage of cost price. Now cost of paper is 30 percentage of cost price. Now we know the 130 is to 30 is equal to 300 is to X. Now on cross multiplication we can find the value of X, that is equal to 69.23, that is option 3 will be the right answer. Okay, we will move on to the next question. So in this question, if 6,500 copies are published and the cost of transporting is equal to 95,000, then find the selling price of each book so that the man publishing earns 20% profit. Now in this question, 20 percentage is the profit. So selling price will be 120 percentage. Transportation cost is 8 percentage of cost price. Now this will be again the same thing. 8 is to 120 is equal to 95,000 is to X. On cross multiplication, we will get the answer. Okay, 14 lakhs 25,000 divided by cost of each book. In the question is given as 65,000 copies are published and the cost of each book is being asked. So what we will do, we will get the answer as 14 lakh 25,000 divided by 6,500. So cost of each book will be rupees 219.23. So your option option 2 will be the right answer. Now we will move on to the next question. The same question is given. By what percent the promotion of book is less than the cost of royalty? So promotion of book is less than the cost of royalty. So promotion will be equal to 8 percentage of cost price, and royalty of the book is 18 percentage. When you subtract it, you will get it as 10 percentage of cost price. So 10 by 18 royalty, difference by the royalty into 100 will be equal to 55.5 percentage. So your option 3 will be the right answer. Okay, students, hope you understand the pie chart. Stay tuned for more number of problems on pie charts and other type of data interpretation questions. Thank you.